painting today, thought it would be a good opportunity to show you a trick that my mother used to use to keep the paint out of the rim of the gallon of paint as you pour it out. So she'd take a rag. I typically use just a shop towel. Then you fold it up such that you can tuck it into the rim. So here I have this one folded. I don't know, it's about 8 or so inches long. Then I left 3 or 4 inches on the end to overlap the side of the paint can. Then use something to tuck it into the rim. I use a flat-headed screwdriver. So all the way around, leaving a section of the towel so you can pull it out at the end. So here we have it mostly tucked in with a little bit of overlap over the side. And then we just take the can as normal and pour right over the towel. And when you're done, bring the lip up, carefully pull the towel out, wipe the inside rim, discard of the towel, and you have a relatively clean rim to reseal the can better and less mess.